What is up bangers, I'm back from holiday, which means it's time for a new tutorial. However, I'm still in chill mode, so it's gonna be a pretty simple one. I haven't covered the growl bass topic yet, that's why today we're gonna learn how to make this. This is the growl we're gonna remake. And make sure to stay till the end of the video because I'm gonna show you cool tricks to get the most out of your growls. As far as I can remember, growl basses became very popular with the iconic Skrillex track, Scary Monsters and Nice Sprites.
Yes! Oh my god!
At least for me. This sound design technique is pretty basic and hasn't changed that much. A quite noisy wavetable with some heavy distortion and vowel effects such as phasers, vocoders or fragment filters. Let's jump into Ableton and see how we proceed. First of all, you should open up SERUM and pick up a noisy wavetable. So let's do that. I figured out spectral ones work great and Outpass is one of my favorite. It has a great amount of harmonics and it will do a pretty good job when we reach the filtering part. I'm pretty sure we have different tastes, so make sure to mess around with the different wavetables. I've just automated the bend plus minus knob with LFO1 like so to give the bass some movement and delete some of the highs at the end of the sound. Here is how it sounds with no effect on. That's pretty much it for the oscillator part, so let's have a look to the FX section. I've just added a dimension to make the sound a bit wider and a phaser for that subtle vowel effect. Make sure to mess around with the depth and the frequency. It will change the resonance of your sound. Everything kind of happens in post-processing and you want to start by filtering the sound, so I've added another phaser for extra vowel effect and a 24 band pass filter and automated its frequency like that. Then you want to squash the sound with OTTs. I added 3 of them and I think it works best. Now it's time for saturation. You can add almost any VST plugin you want. I'm faithful to Ableton, so I use the saturator and an overdrive to boost the mids a bit. Then it's just some EQing to get rid of the low ends and more compression and saturation to bring a bit the filtered sounds up. You can add some reverb to make the sound a bit more alive. Now just have fun doing pitch automation like this. It's just a SERUM pitch bend automation. The insane amount of compression creates artifacts and they are really dope to resample as you can get really wet noises like this. Then you can layer them again with the growl bass you've created and you can create insane basses like this. So basically to get insane artifacts, you just resample the sound and then you mess around with this, so you can maybe transpose them and stretch them. If you want to go even further with the artifact and get that typical barely alive growl, you can throw a corpus before the compression. Then in the LFO section you can play around with the amount and the rate. You can also mess around with the tune. And voila, you've mastered the growl bass. Now just drop it wherever you feel in your drops. And you can get sick bangers like this one I just remade. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something, and let me know in the comment section what did you think and what you want me to cover next. Just a quick reminder that we are doing summer sales on our website. You can get 20% off with the 20 subs code on our sample pack. I'll leave a link to this project file and the growl rack in the description, so make sure to support the channel by liking, subscribing and turning on notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.